Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children, you are in ratio analysis and unit 9. Today we are going to see exercise problem number 3. Fine. Now following is the balance sheet of Lakshmi Limited as on 31st March 2019. And here you have some details of the balance sheet. Shareholders fund, equity share capital 4 lakhs, non-current liabilities 2 lakhs, and current liabilities they were listed under that short-term borrowings, trade payables, current liabilities, under current other current liabilities, expenses payable, short-term provision, etc. Then you have assets. Under assets you have non-current assets, okay, fixed assets, current assets, and under current assets inventories, trade debtors, cash and cash equivalents, and other assets prepaid, etc. Right? Now, what do they want you to find out in this problem? They want you to find out current ratio and liquid ratio, current ratio and quick ratio. So under liquidity ratios, you have two ratios, that is current ratio and quick ratio. Okay. So we are going to find out what is the current ratio first. Okay. So current ratio, what is the formula for current ratio? Current ratio. Current ratio is equal to current assets divided by current liability. Now let us total what are the current assets. Now here it is very easy. We have given you the current assets, inventories. Okay, so it's easy for us to total. So inventories, you have your inventories plus trade debtors cash and cash equivalent. So we write cash plus prepaid. Fine. Now what is there in under inventories? You have rupees 1,60,000 under inventories. Debtors you have 3,20,000. Cash and cash equivalent you have 80,000. And current assets you have under non other current assets prepaid you have around 40,000. Right. Now let us see how much you have under current liabilities. Right. So current liabilities, let us see current liability. Under current liability you have here current liability. You have 50,000, that is your short term borrowings, and your trade payables 3,10,000, and then you have other current liabilities, that is 15,000. Short term provision you have 25,000. So let us total and see. Okay, so you have 10 here, and then you carry one. Okay, carry 1, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, carry 1, 4 lakhs. So your total current liability is 4 lakhs. So this is your current liability. Right? 4 lakhs. Rupees 4 lakhs. So let us go to the problem. Now that you found out what is the current liability, so let us write here 4 lakhs. So we are yet to total what is your current asset, right? So current assets you have around 4 lakhs, 4 lakhs, 3 lakh 20 plus 80, 4 lakhs, 4 lakh 40. Now again you have 2 lakhs. So 1,60,000 plus 40, 2 lakhs. So totally it is coming to 6 lakhs. Your current assets, right? Okay, so you can do all this in your working notes. So your current asset is nothing but 6 lakhs rupees, 6 lakhs divided by your current liability, which is 4 lakhs. Okay, now let us simplify it. So 3 zeros, 3 again it go here also you have 2 zeros goes out. So 6 by 4. So 2 will go here 2 times, 2 is going to go here 3 times. So you have 3 by 2. Now how to simplify it? So you can divide 3 by 2. So 2 will go here once. Again you have 1. Take a 0 decimal point 5. So 1.5 is to 1. This is your ratio. Okay, we are expressing it in quotient form. Right? So that is your current ratio. Now, shall we do quick ratio? Very easy. Now that you have found out what is the current liability, it's easy for you to find out quick ratio. Now, let us go to quick ratio. Now, quick ratio. Okay, quick ratio is equal to quick assets. Okay, quick assets by current liability. Now, quick asset is what? Current asset current assets minus inventory minus prepaid, right? So divided by your current liability. So this is your quick asset, right? Quick asset. So current liability, so already we know what is your current liability. Current liability, you already know it is 4 lakhs. Now let us find out what is the quick asset. Current asset, so you already know it is 6 lakhs. Let us see what is the inventory. Okay, now let us find out. Now you already know your current asset is how much? 6 lakhs. You're going to calculate quick assets. And all this is your working column. Right. So under quick assets minus inventory, that is how much? 1,60,000. So that comes to 4,40,000 minus again see if you have any prepaid. Yeah, you have 40,000 prepaid, right? So that comes to 4 lakhs. So your quick asset is 4 lakh. Now I think it's easy for us to do the problem, right? Now both are equal. Your quick asset is rupees 4 lakhs. Your current liability is also 4 lakhs. Yeah. So that is what. Now let us balance it. You know, 1 by 1. So 1 is to 1. So you have very good quick ratio. Your quick asset is equal to your current liability. So the company is in a position to pay off the current liability. In case as it is coming, you can pay off. Okay. So that's it, children. We'll meet you in the next class. I'll meet you in the next class with the next type of ratios. Fine. Thank you.